Hey everyone and welcome back to Benidorm. It's another day here in the sun-kissed paradise, even though the sun isn't really out today. Slightly cooler day today, hence why I'm wearing a jumper. And it is also trying to rain, which is kind of a problem with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Sadly, it isn't waterproof, so whether that's a case of like me and Matt might maybe sitting down working out how to fashion like a sort of waterproof cover for it, or maybe you can get one on Amazon. Gonna carry on. Local nut job. Penny Farthing there for a great British breakfast. Small €4, large €5. You do get some characters in Benidorm, guys, and that's just one of them. Duke at Wellington all day breakfast from €4.50. Not bad, that. So where we are exactly is just sort of, Jesus, trying to run me over. God. Anyway, where we are is just the back of the Hotel Helios. There's your sort of back balconies there. 8th floor hotel. What, Mum? Well, I'm sorry, alright. Just don't run me over. Mike wanted a bit of time filming himself today, yet he isn't out. Got Bodie's Benidorm there. It is slowly starting to rain, so yeah. Shit. Right, where can we go to shelter? Cause it's trying to book it down, ain't it? Yeah, I'll keep on till it sort of starts getting heavier, but I'm not really too sure how waterproof this gimbal is. I mean, I have been told it isn't waterproof, so quite worrying. And while I've wanting to get numerous films a day, yet I'm probably hardly gonna get any today. Typical. You do, of course, have curry corner there, starting at the curry house in Tandoori. Then just like right round the corner, supermarket for you. Blackpool back open. Oh wait, no. Sadly they are still closed. I think today is probably going to be a slightly duller day today. I've just been dripped on in my eye. Typical. The days you don't come out filming, it's nicer, it's hotter, it's a lot warmer. The day you do come out filming, it's dull and trying to pee down. Uncle Ped's there looking a bit empty. Great place to go for a pint there, guys, if you are wanting a drink. Got the Riviera there, I've been told it's a very good hotel offering good quality food. Now I am just trying to sort of speed myself up a bit because I don't really want to get too wet. Some shows you got on there, Victor Andrews and his Elvis tribute, Mickey Lewis and his comedy stand-up show, tribute to divas from the 80s and the 90s. Of course, the fabulous alter ego of Mark Simon Ellis, Miss Ruby Rocks, Cheapy Cheap Man, and of course the fabulous Sean Foster Connery as seen on Benidorm, guys. I believe that is also the guy who sung at Monty and Joyce's wedding, isn't it? I think it is. I'm sure it is. I can't even remember. Alright, so Explorers Club as well across the road, looking quite empty today, guys. I think it is the weather today, with it being a bit duller, bit colder, not many people will be out and about. I think I just nearly got my head took off by a pigeon there. Give me a quick look at the Rosamar as well. Yeah, I hate to say it, I don't really think that it's opening any time soon. I mean, they've still got a ton of work to do. I think the problem there is that it did take a lot longer to reopen after the initial sort of incident they had there the other year. I think it took them too long to sort of get the safety paperwork back in and get it deemed safe to work on again. So yeah, going to be quite a while before we see people going on holiday to Rosamar once again. And it is still trying to rain. And Jesus. Okay, I think I'm gonna try quickly Hotel Calypso there. I'm trying to remember where the crossing is. I know we just passed one, but sort of want to get over that bit. Got the hotel flash there, it's some rumours about that. Some say it's good, some say it's bad. Yeah, sorry. Gonna attempt to cross here. Head down this bit. Then just sort of plonk myself somewhere to end the video, I guess. Okay, so finish it off with the information centre behind me. Great place to go if you are sort of a bit lost in Benidorm or wanting to find out stuff that's going on here in Benidorm. Make sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.